Welcome to Top 6 Must-Have Tech Gadgets You Need in 2024. In today's video, we're diving into a curated list of the most innovative, versatile, and functional tech products that you should check out this year. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Insta360 ONE RS. This high-powered 6K 360 camera is co-engineered with KICA to deliver unmatched image quality with its dual 1-inch sensors. Thanks to these advanced CMOS sensors, you get a stunning dynamic range and phenomenal performance in low-light settings. The Insta360 ONE RS lets you capture immersive 6K 360-degree videos, making it the ultimate tool for creators looking to push boundaries. Want 360-degree photos? You're covered with the 21-megapixel camera that produces highly detailed images. Plus, Insta360's flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock features ensure you're getting silky smooth video, even in action-packed scenes. The package includes the core camera components, mounting bracket, vertical battery base, and a lens cap, offering a complete setup right out of the box. Number 5. Hammer Toolkit. For DIY enthusiasts, the Hammer Toolbox Hardware Home Kit is the ultimate multi-function toolset. With 12 essential tools, this kit is ideal for home improvement projects, small repairs, or everyday tasks. The set includes a claw hammer, adjustable wrench, socket screwdriver, vise, and digital display electric pen, all in a robust storage box. The tools are crafted from heat-treated chrome-plated steel, providing durability and resistance to corrosion. Ergonomically designed, the TPR handle feels comfortable in hand, making every job easier. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing lighting, or handling auto repairs, this toolbox has you covered. Plus, it's compact and portable, fitting perfectly in your garage, car, or apartment, so you'll always have the right tool on hand. Number 4. Hagibis CPU Data Monitor. The Hagibis mini screen is more than just a monitor. It's a 2-in-1 powerhouse combining a USB-C docking station with an IPS display screen. This 3.5-inch mini screen offers a 178-degree viewing angle, giving you accurate color from any perspective. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, or USB-C DP protocol, this device brings multiple display options right to your desktop. Use it to display time, weather, system stats, or even video playback. The 5 GB/s USB-C and USB 3.0 ports provide fast data transfer, and with SD, microSD slots, and aux input, it's an ideal mini docking station. Its silicone pad lets you raise it for better viewing or place it flat on your desktop, making it a stylish yet functional addition to your workspace. Number 3. DOEL Automatic Cat Litter Box. Pet owners, meet your new best friend, the DOEL Automatic Cat Litter Box. This self-cleaning litter box features fully automatic 360-degree cleaning, so you never have to deal with unpleasant odors up close. Designed for larger cats, the 65-liter litter box offers spacious accommodations, while the 9-liter waste bin reduces the frequency of cleaning. Equipped with 4 gravity sensors, the DOEL box monitors your cat's weight, frequency, and activity, sending updates directly to the accompanying app. Control everything from cleaning modes to health monitoring features via the app, making it an easy way to keep tabs on your pet's health. Number 2. KICA JetFan 2. The KICA JetFan 2 is a powerful, portable cleaner designed to tackle dust and debris on delicate devices like computers, laptops, and keyboards. With a speed of up to 100,000 RPM, this air duster generates high-pressure air to blow away dirt in hard-to-reach places. Built with aviation-grade aluminum and an innovative twin-cylinder design, it's both durable and lightweight. Simply slide the trigger to control the airflow and tackle messes with ease. The tighter protective nets prevent accidental contact with the fan blades, ensuring safe operation around sensitive electronics. Number 1. Tronsmart T6 Max Bluetooth Speaker. For music lovers, the Tronsmart T6 Max Bluetooth speaker is designed to elevate your listening experience with 360-degree surround sound. This powerhouse features an array of 8 passive radiators, 4 tweeters, and a woofer that delivers 60 watts of immersive audio with deep, resonant bass that you can feel. Thanks to SoundPulse technology, every beat sounds more intense and detailed, making it perfect for both low and high volumes. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, Take care.